It doesn't need any shape at all. Just like clean this one. I'm just using 100 and 180 degree. You don't have to even aggressive at all because it pretty much it does all the shaping for you. I used to like spend hours of really shaping it perfect, and then it's get better as we have like a C-curve coffins, like Insta coffins and an Insta taper square, so it's make even the shape better when we're doing liquid and powder. Now it's even like shape for you. Let me see, straight and shape it. I just wipe it off and now I shape it again. Okay, you mean that I'm gonna wipe it again with alcohol, 90%. 90 and higher is good. All right, so done. I'm go ahead and some of those underneath.